In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add noise to a video clip in Final Cut Pro 10. So we come over to Effects, and here we go, add noise right over here. Throw that on the clip. Alright, so now that we got that on there, let's just turn that off for a second. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and play with the amount just to show you guys what it looks like. You got that noise in there. Alright, and then you can change the type. You can do TV static, which is what that is. White noise. What else we got? Blue noise. Pink noise. Alright. Check out blend mode. Darken. Screen. Yeah, pretty cool. So just play around with it, guys. It's pretty easy to do. You can drop the opacity if you want. Let's see what this is. But yeah, really easy to do, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button for me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.